Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our awesome content. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Carlinkit Android 13 TV Box LED 8+128GB CarPlay Wireless Android Auto Wireless Adapter. This little device is a game changer for anyone who loves to stay connected while on the go. With its easy setup process, all you have to do is plug the AI box into your car's existing wired CarPlay-enabled USB port, pair your phone to the AI box via Bluetooth, and you are all set to enjoy the amazing features it has to offer. One of the most impressive things about this Carlinkit Android 13 TV box is its new and upgraded processor. Under the blessing of Qualcomm's QCM6225, the overall performance has been improved by 150% compared to other AI boxes. This means that you can expect more stable performance and faster response times, giving you a seamless user experience. Not only that, but this AI box comes with a built-in Android 13 system, which means you'll have access to a massive selection of apps to download, making your journey more pleasant and enjoyable. Plus, with its wireless CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities, you'll have the freedom to connect your phone to the AI box without any hassle. The Carlinkit Android 13 TV box is also incredibly versatile, with high compatibility with your car's native functions, support for multi-function steering wheel, original car knob, and button control. Plus, you have two convenient methods to connect to the network, either through your phone's hotspot or a SIM card, making it easy to stay connected no matter where you are. With its powerful hardware and support for a wide range of apps, the Carlinkit Android 13 TV box is the perfect addition to any car with factory wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto. Whether you're an iPhone user or an Android fan, this device has got you covered. So, if you're ready to take your car's entertainment and connectivity to the next level, be sure to check out the Carlinkit Android 13 TV Box LED 8+128GB CarPlay Wireless Android Auto Wireless Adapter. The link is in the description below, so don't miss out on this amazing product. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.